A blessing, good afternoon to everyone. A blessing, good afternoon to everyone. The time is just about 12 noon, boy. Yeah, boy, it's 12 o'clock. Midday today. The 18th day in the month of December. Okay. Let me see. Yeah. We have been hearing about December 21st. It's a controversial issue. And it has been said that this December 21st, 2020 will not be like the ordinary ones that have passed on. There seems to be, or for that matter, people are looking forward for something unique, something special. And let us pray that whatever it is that is supposed to be special, that it be special in a positive way, so that we all can be at peace, happy, and so on. If there is any negativeness, we pray that we be protected from it, or it pass away from us. Now, I was doing some mathematics in my own way about December 21st. So I put down December 21st because it is the 21st day in the month of December. And underneath the 21, I put 12 because it is the 21st of the 12th month in the year, in the year 2020. Then I add up 21 and 22 and I got 33. You know what happened here? The 33 had consumed the 21 and the 12. So after plusing 21 with 12, it disappeared into 33. In other words, the results is 33. You see it here. 21 up here, 12 underneath, the results 33. Now since the result is 33, it means that I have set up a mission to retrieve, to get back, or to regain the 21 and the 12. So you know what I did? I multiplied the 33 by 3 and I got 99. You see, I have to start by doing some multiplication, subtraction, or division from the answer in order to make the circle, because everything travels in a circle. From whence he come, he shall return, to get right back. But within making the circle, I must be able at the ending of the circle to retrieve, to get back the 21 and the 12. So my mission is to get back the 21 and the 12. So 33 multiplied by 3 equal 99. Right. So here we start to work with the 99, but we must never drop the 3 or the 33. Whatever we multiply by, plus or subtract, we must never drop the 3 or the 33, because they are the foundation construction of our mission in retrieving the 21 and the 12. So here we go. We see that 99, that 33 multiplied by 3 equal 99. So we start to work with the 99. 99 plus 33 gives you 132. We don't want that, because we are not trying to get back 3, we are trying to get back 12 and the 21. The 3 comes between the 1 and the 2, so we don't want that. Then we went on to plus 99 plus 3. Again, we have 102, 102. We don't want that either. We put, because the 0 comes between the 1 and the 2, so we cannot get 12 by itself. We continue to multiply the 99 by 3. As you see, we are keeping between the 3's, 33 or 3. We get 297. We do not want that. We only get the 2. We are looking for the 21 and the 12. Seeing that we were not successful with the 99 plus 33, or the 99 plus 3, or the 99 multiplied by 3, we decide to go and find the smallest number that can go into 99 without leaving a remainder. And that is 3. 3 into 99, 33. But we have dealt with 3 and the 99. So here what we're doing, because whatever we're doing, it must end up embracing, hugging up, or welcoming the 3. So you know what we did? We went and we divided 11 into 99, because 99 has the qualities of 3's in it, right? 3 could go into 99 33 times and without leaving a remainder. But after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, we didn't get no other number to multiply or to go into 99 but 11. So we started to work with 11. 11 into 99 is 9 times. But knowing that 11 into 99 is 9 times, we already see that the 3 can go into that 9 3 times. So even though you are not seeing the 3, you are not running away from the 3, because as I've said before, the 3 is the foundation, or the 3, the double 3, 33 or 3. Here we get 11 divided into 99, we get 9. We took the 9, we take the 9, and we plus it to 3. Still working with 3, and we get 12. So here we are, we get back to 12. As we get back to 12 now, we continue to work with the 11. So we take 11 and we plus 11 plus 11, and we get 22. Then we take 22 plus 11, we get 33. In other words, 3 multiplied by 11 is 33. Or 11 plus 11 plus 11 is 33. So here we are, 11 plus 11 is 22. Then plus 11 and it is 33. So we have the 1 and the 2 up here. Then we have the 2 and the 1 down here. We know it can exit. And in the position of an X, we have the 1 and the 2 and the 2 and the 1. Right? That is 33. Now, since we get 33, what we are going to do now, we are going to add up the main numbers that are taking part in this journey. The main numbers we are going to add up, just to make sure we know what we are doing. So we add up 21 plus 12 plus 33, and we come up with 66. Now 6 also has the values of 3 in it, because 6 has 2 3's in it. As we come up with 66, we take a plus sign and we put it between the two 6, or between the 66. And we plus 6 and 6. And that equals to 12. The 12 has the values of 3 in it, without leaving a remainder. We plus 9 to the 12 and we get 21. The 21 has the values of 3 in it. 7 3s are 21 without leaving a remainder. So 21 plus 12 plus 33 equals 66. You're squeezing a plus sign between the 66. You have 6 plus 6 equals 12. 12 plus 9 equals 21. So we have seen so far we have the 12 and the 21, but we ain't finished there. We continue. So far we have 6 plus 6 equals 12. We plus it to 9 equals 21. Now if you notice, all the numbers in this area here can be divided by 3 without leaving a remainder. Let's go from here. 3 into 6, 3 into 6, 3. 3 into 12, 4. 3 into 9, 3. 3 into 21, 7. 3 into 36, 12. 3 into 3, 1. So 6 plus 6 equals 12, plus 9 equals 21. Then we put a multiplication sign between the 66. So we have 6 multiplied by 6 equals 36. 36 divided by 3 equals 12. And even if you have said 36 minus 3, you will still come up with 30. You still have the 3. Right? So here you have it. 36 minus 3 equals 30. 3 divided into 6 equals 2. 3 into 12 equals 4. 3 into 9 equals 3. 3 into 3 equals 1. So all the numbers that play an important part in retrieving or regaining the 21 and 12 is, as you have it up here, look across here, so 3, 6, 12, 9, 4, and 1. 6 numbers, 3, 6, 12, 9, 4, and 1. I took the 6 and I divided by 3 and I get 2. 3 into 6, 2. Right? So 2 threes are 33. 2 threes are 33. 3, 3. These 2 threes here are 33. So we have gone right back. We are showing you where we have reclaimed the 21 and the 12, and I have shown you also where we have gone right back to 33, the number that consumed the 21 and 12, and that's about it. I don't know if you will say that I'm doing nonsense, but it's good to play with numbers because numbers play a very important part in our lives. Everything, whether we go up, down, in, out, everything is being measured according to feet, height, distance, atmosphere, whatever it is. So that is about it. Happy Christmas. Happy New Year. This is what you'll be hearing very often around this time of the year. Let me ask the question, how happy are you for the Christmas, and how happy will you be after the Christmas? How happy will you be for the Easter, and how happy will you be after the Easter, the New Year's, and how happy will you be after the New Year's? You see, because many of the poorer people do not have time to sit down and count the little blessings. How much have I spent by Price Mart, in the supermarket, in the market for the past year? How much have I spent lavishly or with strictness? How much have I spent in a stringent way so that I can squeeze something, I can save something? Sit down with a book, how much have I gained? Did I have rent to pay? Passage to pay? How much money have I spent in passage throughout the year? No, we don't do that. But should we do that sort of economic practice? It will point out to us what we have, where we have gone wrong in spending, where we have gone right in spending, how much have we saved, how much we could not have saved, or how much we squeezed. It will point out to us how careful were we so that we avoid something from being damaged, so that we can spend, so that we'll have to spend unnecessary money. How careful were we with our bodies, how much we eat, how much we didn't eat? Were we gluttons? Did we eat and we didn't care what we eat? What kind of a diet were we on for the past year? So that we got sick and we had to go to the doctor, we had to spend money to buy tablets and so on. Everything is economics. And once the poor man, the poor black man, does not look at it as economics, he exploits his own self. He allows his own self to be exploited by his stupidity, his ignorance. And on top of it all, he hugs another poor man like and said, Happy Christmas, Happy New Year. Your actions throughout the past year have a lot to do with economics. If you give your children money to spend, you didn't spend it correctly. If you sent your child to the shop and he lost $300, you see, the main thing about poor people surviving is that poor people must get together and have a budget. The family must get together, pray together, ask for that divine guidance, make their offerings or what have you, regardless of what religion it belongs to, and budget yourself according to what your husband looking for, what your wife looking for, how much money you have to spend when the month up, the week up, the fortnightly, or whatever it is. And at the ending of the year, you will know if you will be very happy or sad. If that hug that you hug a poor man like yourself and tell him Happy Christmas, if it is really you are happy or sad. You will be happy if you realize that you have gained and gained quite successfully for the past, but you will be sad if you realize that you drink all the money, you gamble all the money, you didn't care what you spend. You just spend, come what may, with a hell with a rainy day. You know there's a saying, put aside some for a rainy day. But the thing is, most of us are not sad. We want to have a happy Christmas. You know why? We want to go down the road and buy ham, lamb, and jam, blah, 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 and emotional. And after Christmas, we sing a sad song. You know, Christmas just gone and it's go over season. Or after New Year's. My people, I don't celebrate Christmas. Because I've never known, or I've never read in the Bible, that with all the years Jesus spent on earth, the man whom you call Jesus spent on earth, that his disciples celebrated each year of his life on earth. They had music and they danced. No, I've never heard about that. I've never seen that. Oh yes, some people may argue and say, well, he was born where? December 25th year. Who tell you Jesus was born on December 25th? How can you prove that? Stop talking nonsense. You will not. Are you going to celebrate your birthday on the 30th of October if you were born on the 1st of May? I mean, you won't want anybody doing that. So if you really Christ-like or you really had Jesus in you, why all your mama Gandhi man? Why all your mama Gandhi man? You know, I went to a meeting and the person who addressed the meeting said, well, you know, Jesus wasn't born on the 25th of December, but all in all, we're celebrating Jesus. You cannot celebrate Jesus if you are doing the wrong thing, if you have the wrong knowledge, if you don't know what day he was born. You cannot celebrate Jesus because Jesus never made it incumbent or never made it a priority that his birthday must be celebrated. In fact, in those days, birthday celebration was looked upon as ignorance and paganism. So, question always says, what they get all these Christians happy Christians about? And Satan, Santa. Let's go into the New Year's. Happy New Year. Nobody makes a budget, as I've said before, to see for this New Year what's going on and how we will. To see our weaknesses for the past year, and to reform ourselves or build upon that weakness so that at the ending of 2021 we will be successful. No, but we say Happy New Year, and you know what we do? We become emotional. It's a fantasy for us. Bang, 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 church bell ringing midnight, everybody emotional. Oh, God. As soon as the New Year starts, within 2 weeks, you know the rate starts to climb. The ignorance and the stupidity continues. So you know what we did? We recycled the old year. Because it does not seem as though we want something new. It does not seem as though we want to develop. So we welcome the peace and the goodwill to men on earth. But you know what we left out? Peace, goodwill, and prosperity to men on earth. But the prosperity was taken out, and the rich man has it. He does not want you to have it. So he said to you, peace and goodwill. And you say, yes, peace and goodwill. You catch in your ass after Christmas. Where's all the goodwill? The goodwill is that you humble yourself, be quiet, come and do your work, be peaceful, whatever it is. Where is the prosperity? The rich man takes the prosperity. The drug lords take the prosperity. The corrupt politician has the prosperity. So no prosperity for you, the poor man, only peace. Be at peace and goodwill. Try to do good. And you go about talking nonsense. Thank God for little mercies. Thank God for little blessing. You always want a little mercy and a little blessing. But the big blessing, the drug lord has it. Peace, goodwill, and prosperity. The big capitalists have it. The big investors have it. We do have it. You know why? We want to go to church and we want to pray. It is so easy. It is so easy. How do you say it again? For a poor man to enter into the kingdom of heaven than for a rich man, what? Some eye of a needle or something. So, blessed is he who is poor in spirit, so that he will enter the kingdom of heaven, not poor in wealth, because you must have. You can't just walk in a store and pick up a Bible and walk out. You could get a cup for that. Cleanliness is next to godliness. So walk in your store, tell them you're a godly person, pick up the bleach and the soap you have to wash your clothes with and make it clean, and say God will provide. They will provide for you in jail. So my dear single parents, father, mother, or family, come together and think and think. If you're not working, try to bring out that talent in you, explore yourself, and try to bring out or find the hidden talent in you so that you can do something, whatever you have to do, without getting yourself in trouble, to make money for you and your children. I don't celebrate the New Year's because that's a whole thing by itself. Neither do I celebrate the Christmas. I don't celebrate the New Year's according to the Gregorian calendar. So my people, I say, UMAR MUHAMMED, CALYPSONIAN disciple, I hope I didn't forget anything. Until I'll be with you all again. Amonwa, Asher.